Hey everybody, Carl here, and I'm here with a super mini short video, which is new to me, but I wanted to show you something real quick. We've been on the subject off and on about using breadboards and talked about them and how to use them, and but I have one here. Let me show you. This is my old one I got from Radio Shack, Archer brand, and I got it apart because it's real dirty and the contacts aren't real good. I need to clean them up a bit. Now I wanted to show you what the bottom of one of these look like. See how close we can get here. Now if you notice, it's got all the little bars in the middle, and then we got the long lines on the top. Now let's see, can I prep this up a way so you can see it? Okay, there. Now if you notice, these lines up here, two sets of lines, there's a gap and another two sets of lines, and then we have all these little teeny bars that are running all the way along here, and then once again we got the two running horizontal again down here at the gap, and they run along there. Okay, now each one of these is a solid metal bar. Now when we flip it around, now we can understand what's going on. Like our power rail, that one bar runs all the way across, and then there's a gap right there, and then it runs across again. And there's two sets of those. So, and when you put a jumper there, a bridge, then you got the whole bar you can use. And the same on the bottom. Now along here, now we understand more. Each one of these lines, there's one single bar that runs underneath these right here. So, you know, you put it one in a hole there or up there, it doesn't matter. It's all contacted on that one line running vertical. And when we want to jump things, we can go from here to jump over here. So this one bar, like this one here, you can extend it by putting a jumper there and using these down here. And a lot of times if you like use both of these as positive, both of these as negative, and you want to get from here to down there, you can use that jumper. So now on mine, you notice I have this I have these deals right here, and all they are, let me show you. They're just screwed in, or bolted in, I should say. And they're just connectors. There's the nuts that run there and there and there, so to connect the board to here. But that way you can use these. You can unscrew it and have a connector. If I ever get it unscrewed. Well, come on. Okay. See, so you can, it has a hole down there, so you can run a line through it. You know, you could plug something in that way, and then twist that down, or you can use a banana plug and put it in the top here. Or a lot of times what I do is I run off of my power supply. Oh, here's the negative. And I connect my power supply like that. See, then I have these wires here, and when the board is on, I run the one over to here, and I run the other one to right here, And then I've got my constant power. And then plus I've got another one. So if you ever wanted to run, like, you could run positive, neutral, and then negative. Like, let's say I was going to run 9 volts and I wanted to, and I was going to use an op amp, and I wanted like a 741, and I wanted to have a negative 9 volt or 12 volt and a positive plus a neutral. That's where the 3 come in. I don't even know if you can get these anymore. You want to know how old this is? Somewhere on here it says made in the USA. So that's when Archer was still manufacturing their stuff here in the United States. Now you see I have another newer, this is a newer style over here, and I probably should be cleaning that one out too, but like I said, this is my Old Faithful and I really like it. And I'm spraying it out and cleaning all the holes so I got better contacts, because, you know, one thing about breadboarding, if you have dirt in those contacts, you're not making, you know, you will think that your circuit that you're building is goofed up. And actually, it's just because one of these are dirty. So, you know, so just something to think about. All right, that's enough. All right, everybody, like I said, I just wanted to do a quick short. I had this thing apart because I was cleaning it. I thought, well, why not share it with everybody and kind of show what the Guttywhats of what it is anyway. Okay, I'll see you all later. You guys take care. Bye now. Bye.